Okay, next topic is anterior compartment. It's no topic, it is just related to quiz. In the anterior compartment of thigh, which is also called as extensor compartment. Now don't confuse it. This is extensor compartment of thigh in relation to knee joint. Okay, that's why we are calling the anterior compartment of thigh as the extensor of knee joint. Okay, otherwise you should know that these are mainly the these mainly flex the thigh at hip joint, okay, and extend the leg at knee joint. About that we will discuss in very much detail when we will discuss it, when we will discuss the lower limb in detail. Okay, first you should know these things. So anterior compartment, it includes sartorius, okay, and quadriceps femoris. This quadriceps femoris, it includes vasti, that is vastus medialis, vastus lateralis, vastus intermedius, and this rectus femoris. Okay, and sometimes it also includes the anterior compartment iliacus and psoas major. So among these all muscles, you should know the major flexors of thigh are iliacus and psoas major. Along with that, sartorius, okay, and the rectus femoris. Rectus femoris. Okay, and this vasti muscle means, all the three vasti are mainly the extensors of leg at knee joint. Okay, and these sartorius, why I am saying these are the major flexors, because their only action is flexion of thigh at hip joint. Okay, whereas the rectus femoris as well as the sartorius, they flex the thigh at hip joint as well as they extend the leg also. But vasti muscles are only the extensors of leg. Now see them here. Here you can see from the anterior superior iliac spine, okay, the sartorius muscle originates. It is the most anterior. It has been cut here. Okay, and now you can see quadriceps femoris, which includes the vastus medialis, okay, rectus femoris tendon, which is again cut, okay, and this vastus lateralis muscle. Vastus medialis and vastus intermedius are usually intermingled, so vastus intermedius is sometimes not seen. Okay, it is seen only after cutting of the rectus femoris, as it is deep. So that's why rectus femoris has been cut. So whenever this is a clue, whenever this kind of picture will be given, and if rectus femoris is cut, then it will be vastus intermedius, but if it is not cut, then rectus femoris will be here. Okay, and but this you should know that anterior compartment includes sartorius, which is originating from anterior superior iliac spine, and you should know all the muscles of thigh, be it of anterior compartment, be it of this medial compartment, and be it of your posterior compartment. Most of them include in the insert into the tibia, except the biceps femoris, which inserts into the fibula. Okay, well, about that I will talk about that, but first of all I am repeating the anterior muscles of thigh are sartorius and quadriceps femoris, including three vasti and rectus femoris. Apart from that, we included sometimes iliacus and psoas major also. Okay, now this is the posterior compartment of thigh. As you can see here, I had told that this was quadratus femoris. then gemelli, etc. All of them have been cut here. Here you need to identify the muscles of posterior compartment. So you should know that most laterally your there will be the long head there will be biceps femoris having two heads. This is the long head of biceps femoris, and as you can see, it is inserting into the head of fibula. Okay, so biceps femoris inserts into the fibula. Okay, all other muscles of thigh, they insert into tibia. Okay, tibia matlab all other muscles have attachments into your femur or tibia, but it is inserting into the head of fibula. Okay, one more thing. Yeah, this you can see, this is the ischial tuberosity, and this is the hamstring part of adductor magnus. Although adductor magnus is a muscle of medial compartment or the adductor compartment, but it has its hamstring part also somewhat posteriorly. Okay, and here you can see this is long head on the lateral side. Here you can see just medial to that there is semitendinosus. Okay, and this one behind or medial to that is semimembranosus. You can remember it semimembranosus is towards when we will see it from the posterior side, it will be little medial to that. Okay, although semimembranosus, it is it originates from the this superolateral impression, but you just for your purpose you should know that this is long head of biceps femoris, this is semitendinosus, and this is semimembranosus. So if I will see below, we can see this is the popliteal fossa. About that also we will study later, but you can remember it like the upper boundaries of this popliteal fossa, it is formed by biceps femoris and semimembranosus and semitendinosus. Okay, below there will be gastrocnemius, we will discuss later. Okay, so this is a part of semimembranosus which inserts into the capsule around the knee joint. Again I am repeating, this is quadratus femoris, this is your adductor magnus. Okay, this is long head of for now I am not discussing this. Okay, long head of biceps femoris is here, most laterally and on the posterior surface. This is semitendinosus, this is semimembranosus, and this is hamstring part of adductor magnus muscle. Okay.